This is my son's old Blue Yeti microphone. It stopped working, and I'm not sure if the microphone's gone bad or if it's just the cord. So I bought this new cord to test out. We'll go ahead and try it out. This one said it's specifically for the Blue Yeti. And it has this cord on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and try this out. But you can see it's got the USB port on the bottom. I think it's called a USB Mini. I'm not quite sure, but it says it's the right one. And it plugs in all right. It feels like it's a nice snug fit. Moment of truth, I'll plug it into the computer. Okay, I got it plugged in. It looks like the light's blinking red. I think that means it's on mute. Now I push the button. Now it's a solid red. I think it's ready to use. I got Audacity opened up and we'll see if it records. Testing, Blue Yeti mic test. All right, there it is. We got something on here. We'll see how it sounds. Testing, Blue Yeti mic test. So yeah, it looks like it's working now. It was just the cord. It's a little bit loud though. I'll have to adjust the gain. Let's see, where's the gain button on the back? Turn the gain down a little bit and try again. Testing, Blue Yeti mic test. That looks better. It doesn't seem to be popping out like it was over here. Testing, Blue Yeti mic test. All right, so there you go. That was a pretty easy fix. All I had to do was replace the cord. So yeah, this cord's pretty nice. It worked great. Now the Blue Yeti's all back up and working and everything. You can also get these cords in a few different sizes. This is the 2.5 foot, and I think you can go all the way up to a 6 foot or even a 10 foot cord. So if you're looking for a new cord for your Blue Yeti, this is a pretty nice one.